Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg BMW X4 Xdrive20D M Sport. Now this car boasts just under £7,000 worth of factory extras, £6,890 to be exact. So the factory extras list, you've got the M Sport Plus package, you've got the Harman-Kardon sound, the bigger alloy wheels, automatic transmission, head-up display, reversing camera and much more. So in this video I'll try my best to show you around the condition of the car as well as the massive list of specifications. So this vehicle is supplied with a full BMW service history, supplied with 2 keys, book packs are there, it's in lovely order. I've just pulled it out of the showroom. But looking around the car, we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front headlamp wash for those as well, front and rear parking sensors, and then we've got the option of the reversing camera. We're riding on the upgrade 20-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with the lovely Daytona grey detailing and diamond-turned outer edge. Looking down the side of the car then, lovely swage lines. You've got the Xdrive20D badges, you've got the M Sport badge on the wing as well. Colour-coded wheel arches, which I think just finishes the car off beautifully. We've got the gloss black window surrounds, privacy glass to the back, and then coming through to the rear we've got the X4 badging, more of that lovely dark grey detailing on the lower diffuser. Electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides up. We've got the reversing camera just up there. And then looking through to the boot, a nice amount of luggage space. So we've got our parcel shelves present, split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. The front plate, obviously 67 reg. A bit of added storage under there as well, more storage in the sides. And then just press of a button and that elegantly glides down. Now looking down the passenger side, that's the same story, so no signs of any sort of dents or dings, that's in nice order, absolutely gleaming in the sunshine. And then coming through to the interior, we've got a lovely ebony black leather sport seat, so it's a lovely grained leather, contrasting white stitch all throughout the car. Looking at the bolsters, as this is obviously where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time, on the bolsters and the seat base, they're in fantastic order. Having poked my head in, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's had any pets. And what I like about the BMW seats, they are fully adjustable. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adjustments on this seat, which allows you to sculpt the seat to exactly the way you want it. Quickly then, coming through to the rear, that's the exact same story, very nice order throughout. We've got a nice central armrest there with 2 cup holders, obviously 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Looking to the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. And then jumping in the driver's side, I'll just talk you through some of the fantastic specifications. So, starting first on the door card, we've got our central lock-in, full Harman-Kardon surround sound system, park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows. Now we've actually got auto-dimming driver's mirror and the rear view mirror, so that's actually a factory option. Full M Sport steering wheel, so on here you can control most things. You've got your cruise control, you've got your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. Obviously this vehicle is coupled with the silky smooth 8-speed automatic box, so with that you get the flappy paddles on the steering wheel which follow the wheel as you turn it. Automatic wipers, automatic lights. You've got automatic main beam on this one as well, full onboard computer. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has only covered a mere 29,422 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the center display, we've got our front and rear parking sensors which show up You can switch them off quite easily. You've got the reversing camera when you flick the vehicle into reverse. Putting it back into park there. We'll go through the iDrive system. So this is the newer style infotainment system. So you've got your full DAB radio, aux, CD, DVD, iPhone, USB. You've got your communications there as well, satellite navigation, as you'd expect on a vehicle of this caliber. Now the SAT NAV is very nice and easy to use, very responsive. Full drive select, vehicle information. So on here you've got your vehicle status. So pressing through, service requirements. You've got these vehicles, they don't actually have a set service interval. So the car basically tells you when it needs jobs doing. So you've got your engine oil, you've got your brake fluid, vehicle check, rear brake pads, front brake pads, and they're all not due anytime soon. You've got your notifications there as well. Following down then, we'll turn the climate control on. It's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, obviously air conditioning, CD player, those are becoming more and more rare. The vehicle is supplied with both keys, as I'd mentioned before, central cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet, the center scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the iDrive system. You've got all your drive select, so you've got Sport, Sport Plus, Eco, Pro, and that all pops up just there. Then you've got your electric parking brake, auto hold, hill descent, a lovely center armrest which is in superb order. You've got another 12-volt power outlet in there, as well as your aux and USB. But all around, a lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners, never been driven in anger. The front bumper's in nice order, so it's not riddled with stone chips. Same goes for the bonnet. But I'd honestly say this is a very clean, original example. So, if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you'd like a personalised video, if you'd like finance quotes, more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now on sales there's myself, Dominic, there's both of my colleagues, Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.